Hey YouTube family, this is part 2 on the wiring question I had posted up, and someone had said there was another plug on my steering column, and they were correct. There is another one that I'll have to have a plug for. That, from what I understand, I'm being told that's the ignition part, and the flat plug that I mentioned in the first video at the very bottom of the column is signals and such. So anyway, it's been several hours. It was early today when I made that first video, and it's several hours later now, and I thought I'd make a part 2 since I've seen all the responses. Thanks again, Scott, for the great ideas. It's going to help me a lot. I'll show you some wiring. I have part of it coiled up in the corner of the dash because it's power seats and things like that that I don't foresee using right at the moment. I mean, this truck's really cheaply built. I probably won't invest much more money into it. I don't see the need to have a power seat or anything. But anyway, thanks for the responses, and I guess that's all I'm going to say for now. Have a good one. Bye.